So we were till here, right? And we need to work on the schema part first. So first we'll have call customer and then all customer. So for customer we need to create the schema. So go to your backend folders. Okay. In backend folder, we'll go to the schema file and we'll create one customer schema.js. Customer schema.js. The remote place to survive for any kind of ALSI people, lazy people, and skillless people in the world. Okay, only those people can survive who have the skill, who have little kind of talent, who have some kind of dream to do something in the life. Okay. तो उसमें कितने का पैकेज मिला था सिस्को में हमको मिलता था 84,000 in hand plus 4,000 bonus. 88 was in hand. Okay, 84 was the salary and then 4,000 was the project success bonus. Once the project will be success, then client will give the bonus. 1 month salary bonus will come in once out, the tax free. In that tax we no need to pay. Okay, so our the client was paying to the client, this client $6,000. So the $6,000 came directly tax free. In that something the minus under given. And after that every month in salary till you are in the project, the client will pay you dollar. In that dollar, these people will cut something and then they will pay you. So total bonus will come in the project certain amount. In the project, suppose 6 members are there. The total amount divided by 6. Then in that my sharing was 4,000. The 4,000 was the bonus and then remaining 84 was the salary. So 88 was getting. It was sufficient. No, if you are in the project, then also you will get it. If you are not in the project, if you are on the bench, if officially you are on the bench, then based on the company. Some company will give you 40% of the salary. Some company will give you 100% of the salary. Some company will put on the bench for 3 months and in 4 months they will exit you. Okay, some company will keep holding on the bench. They'll keep paying full salary for till the project will not come. Okay, so it was a good experience from there. I have learned so many things. Okay, so terminal schema we can copy and paste here. Let's write here called customer schema. Right inside that we can change that. Let it be name, email. The customer structure. Customer structure. Here also we can change below customer structure. So start doing from the beginning. Let it be name. Mobile type number. Mobile, then after that city, after that and some more. Input phone address. Mobile you can keep a string also. Let it be a string. You can keep a string also. Then let's come down. Customer schema. Define here. Right about my customer. Or only customer also you can keep. Customer. 3, 4, 5, 6. Every business cannot be failed. Dedication is required. Okay, dedication is important. Any, not only business, any work, whichever work you are doing in life. And even you should have a skill that how to convert offer into opportunity. Something like offer into opportunity. Like suppose something is in front of you and you should not misuse that. You should not feel like it is forever in front of me. you should do something where you can utilize in proper way, and that should support you for the full life. That is called what? Opportunity. Okay. So schema is ready. Customer schema. This file is sent in your chat. Try, if you have year gap, try with experience. Okay, publicly. If you have year gap, try with the experience. फिर से contact कीजिए, वो help करिए आपको. ठीक है. See, target is somehow you will get the chance, right? Everyone need help. Company need help. You need help. So आप उनसे contact करेंगे, वो guide करेंगे आपको कैसे जाना है. ठीक है. And it is not like very difficult. Plus वो ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं मांगती है. ठीक है. जॉब होने के बाद बोलती है कुछ donate कर दो. Donate something so that even we should keep learning. After getting there, बहुत सारे लोग हुआ है. They are working successfully. Per year gap. People have no year gap. You go as a fresher. 1 year, 2 year if you have, then no problem. Okay, 20 onwards if you are 20, 21, 22, then no need to apply any kind of experience. Uske पहले, if you are before 20, then you need something to get a better skill salary as well as quick response. Only getting the quick job is not big matter. Where is the salary, that is also matter. Right? How much is the salary, that is also matter. Okay. Okay. Now come next in the API file. Create next file, customer API. Customer API.js. In customer API.js, 2 lines are required from admin API that we can take till here. The first 3 lines, that is, you can take from the previous file and come down. Let customer equal to require dot slash dot slash dot slash schema slash customer schema. Content आप share मत कीजिए किसी से. I'll tell you the practically what is the benefit of that. Okay. Till the rate कौन सा? नहीं मेल तो भेज दिए, कल लो भेजियो. नहीं वो रिज्यूम भेज दिया ना. Content अगर आप किसी से शेयर करते हो, that person will be your competitor. Correct? No, that person will become your competitor because he has some material from somewhere and he got your material, he got the double material. Correct? Now you have the single material. So what will happen is, wherever he will go, he can produce 2 material. You will go, you will produce only 1 material. So you will be lack over there. Okay? One person is my classmate. He is here in Bangalore only. During the exam time, he was not sharing anything. Before exam, he will share everything. 1 week before, he will share everything. Okay. But during exam time, 1 day before, 2 days before, okay, he will not share anything. He will say, no, after exam, you contact me after. Any close, because he will say like, if I'll share you something, you have something, it will become double. Your marks will come 10 marks more than me. Okay, and we were competitor to each other everywhere. This semester, he is 10 marks more. Next semester, I will be 10 marks more less. Okay, so we were just 10 marks before next. Okay, competition was there very good, and he is also earning nearly 1 crore rupees in a year now. Okay. Lot of money he also have. Competition was there, and if you listen our history, then you will feel like nonsense person is teaching us. Okay, how we have studied, that was a very kind of crazy time. Okay, but we work on the technology. We work very good on the technology. We study technology very well, right? You will not believe in database we have a concept of normalization. Okay, in the normalization, 12 rules are there. The 12 rule we study in the college. We remember our lecturer has given one formula of 𝕷𝖊𝖆𝖗𝖚𝖵𝖃. Okay, he has made a formula based on that formula. Within a minute, he remember 12 rules. Okay. The 12 rules was there in the mind when we came here in Bangalore and started reading the book interview here there. Then one day he come with one question and then with the 2 data structure book, okay, the database book. And in that database, he will read 10 line, he will explain me. I will also read the same line and will explain him. That 10 line of content, keep explaining and listening, Full night we spend it. Okay. Later we come to know we both are correct only, but the way of understanding is different. Okay, the way of understanding is different, but we both are on the same track. Okay, that database normalization rule, right? So you can say skill is everything. Skill if you have proper, then you can do everything. Competition is also important. You must have a competitor somewhere. If your competitor is nearby, then you will have a target. No, I have to do something. If competitor is not there, and like government, you will say, no, I can make a canon today. I can make a rule today. Right? Competitor is there means someone will be there who can recognize whether the rule is perfect or not. It's in the public environment. Competition is required. Okay. Now router dot get. Okay. Next, after that, request, response. So get is ready. Next, post. Next, put, and then delete. Get post, put, delete. Get post, put, delete. Now inside the put, we need to have ID. Under the delete also we need to have for ID. So whatever the value will come from the front end, it will capture under the ID and then it will do the respective one. Right? So inside the get now, what we'll write? We will call here let user list equal to customer dot find. Customer dot find. Now before customer, await is required, and before request, async is required. Async is required. Right? Next, after that, right here, response dot JSON. Inside that, we can send the user list dot. What is? One more parameter was there, no? One more parameter was there called, okay, status dot something. Okay, hold on. So here we made some mistake. First will be called status. Status, you will pass call 201 and then this thing. Right. So this is your post API is ready. Post API is ready. Get API is ready. Okay, get API is ready. But what problem will happen here? This API will become a public API. Anyone can call the URL and they will get the data. Correct? Anyone can call the URL and they'll get the data. So we will not leave it direct as a open URL. We will write here one kind of token number. Token number. Which token number? That we are given in the beginning to whom? Client. When we log in, we are given a token number to the client. Correct? When we log in, we given a token number to the client. Right? Super admin is holding one token number. So whenever the super admin will send a request to backend, he will not send the request directly. He has to send his token number. Okay? He has to send the token number, and based on the token number, we will verify here whether token number really is valid or not valid. If token number is valid, then only we'll give the data. If token number is not valid, we'll say sorry. Correct? So now what to do? Till here you are clear? Correct? Now I am adding here another line. Okay? I am adding here called another line. For what purpose? Another line I am going to add here to identify whether the request is coming from the front end, it is a valid request or invalid request. Okay? So look at here. If you look into the admin API, you are calling this schema, copy the same line and paste here. Copy the same line and paste here. Okay? Right. Customer schema we called here to get the data. Correct? To delete the data, to update the data, to do everything. And admin schema we called here because when the user was login, we have given the token ID, token number. Token number was from the database. Token number has come from the database, and that token number we are given to the front end. From front end, whenever the request will come, request must come with the token number, and that token number we are going to check in the admin table whether this token number is exist or not. If the token number is exist, then only customer.find will work. If the token number is not exist, we will say sorry, invalid request. Okay, so let's come now. Look at here. Write another line. Okay, let admin equal to await. Admin equal to await. Customer dot not customer dot my admin dot find. My admin dot find one. Find by ID. Better find by ID. Okay, find by ID. We have written before find by ID. Find one, no? Find one. Find one. Dot find one. Find one. But in find one, what we need to pass? We have to pass entire username, password, multiple conditions we have to pass. But we will do here find by ID. Find by ID. Okay. Find by ID. Okay. Now what is that ID? That ID is this one. Called request dot params dot token number. Request dot params dot token number. Okay. So token number is what? Token number is ID. Correct? When you given the token number, when the user was login. You can look into the admin API. Look at here. In admin API, the put we have written, not put, the post we have written, post. You can see here. Username, password we have taken. And from database we have written here, find one. But find one, okay, find one. And after that we have taken here token. What is the token? User input.id. That is nothing but the ID from the database. Okay. So in this, what you are doing, you have taken now token number and find by ID. You are searching database. Now check here. Write a condition. If admin equal to null. If admin equal to null. If null, then user is not exist. Admin is not exist. It's an invalid admin ID. Authentication is not passed. Okay, write if and else. Okay, if admin double equal to null, right, means token number is not matched. Okay, if admin double equal to null means token number is not matched. Then what we have to do? We have to inform him like invalid token number, invalid token number. Else it has to check in database and how many users are there. It need to fetch all and send the status to the client. If a part you have to add here, response.status 201, and you can write here call. You can write here call token message. Better write call message. In message write call invalid token number. Invalid token number. Okay, if it is a null, then we are sending a message to the front end call invalid token number. Else list of users. Okay, so whenever you will call this API, get API customer list, right? Customer list we cannot call directly. Whenever we call, we have to send the parameter. What will be the parameter? Token number. It will come from where? Front end. And front end has got the token number where? From the backend. When the backend is given? When the login success. Correct? When the login success happens, then backend has given the token number to front end and said like front end, this token number you keep in your local storage. And whenever you are sending any request to me, you send me the token number also. So when you login, I have given the token number. Now when you are sending me the request, I will check whether it's the same token number or the token number is exist with us or not. If the token number is exist, then I'll give you your data. Okay. One more condition we have to write here. Which condition? Next condition is not required in this. Okay, so this happened for the get purpose, right? Even also we can do like this. The token number has come from the front end. The token number we can check in the back end. If with this token number, if any data is there, that we can give. Okay, chali, next item. So that is ready. Come next and then go for the post part. Okay, in the post part, you write here in customer this one we have name, email, mobile, city, pin code, and then address. Okay, come to the this right here call let new customer equal to new customer What are the variables we have? We have name, email, mobile, city, pin code. So many we have. You can copy this line and paste here. Everything we copy and paste here. Okay, and then we can change the right side values. This will come from here. Request dot body dot full name. Now from the React you have to send the property as a full name. From full name it will go to where? Name. Name is a column of the table. Name is the column of the table. But from the front end, data will come in which variable? Full name. In the React, we have to create a JSON body. In that JSON body, our property name will be called full name. Okay. Again here, see the right side is full name. It is coming from the React. And the left side is where? In the MongoDB. Name is in the MongoDB. And the right side full name is coming from where? React. Correct. And both is being captured by Node.js. Correct. And after that, Node.js will take from the React and give to MongoDB. Okay. Email request dot body dot will give different email ID. You should know what is the left and what is the right. Okay. Request dot body dot mobile number. Request dot body dot mobile number. Okay. Request dot body dot city name. Request dot body dot city name. Okay. Below pin code आप लिख सकते हैं और zip code. Request dot body dot zip code. Below request dot body dot full address. Request dot body dot full address. Okay, request dot body dot full address. Come down. Next, after that, create a variable let info equal to new customer dot save. But before that, you need to write here called await, and here you need to add called async async. Then below you need to write response dot status 201 dot JSON. Inside will pass call info. आप अपने फ्रेंड को बोलो कि उसको कंपनी स्टार्ट करना तो जावा नहीं पड़े, वो कहीं PHP पढ़ ले, वर्डप्रेस पढ़ ले। जावा स्क्रिप्ट में आज वेबसाइट बनाया, केजीएफ टेक्नोलॉजी और डोमेन दिया बोले तो वेबसाइट इसको बनाना है, वेबसाइट बना लिया है, अभी मतलब लाइव सर्वर पे अभी पब्लिश नहीं किया है। नहीं, वो क्या बनना है कि उसको कॉल करके क्या बनना है, क्या करना है, कंपनी चलाना है। आप यूआई यूएक्स जैसे क्लाइंट देगा वो प्रोजेक्ट, वो प्रोजेक्ट बना के देगा, अभी इंटर्न हायर करेगा। होगा जो क्लाइंट आराम से मिल जाएगा, क्लाइंट आराम से मिल जाएगा। ओके, होप रिटन। मार्केट there is a company that developed the website in 399 में वेबसाइट बनाते हैं लोग, 499 में वेबसाइट बनाते हैं, ठीक है, 1099 में वेबसाइट बनाते हैं, डायनामिक वेबसाइट स्टार्टिंग 399, डायनामिक 1099। ऐसा है। Ready? Let's check now. We can run this file through the, but how can I run now? You have to link it, this one to the server.js file, no? Go to the server.js file. In server.js file, import that again. Const. So anyone is writing or completed, shall I share this code in chat? This code is available in your chat also. आप उसको फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है, आप पढ़ाई करो पहले, ठीक है, पढ़ाई करके जाओ लोग। मेरा नंबर सेव रखिएगा, लेकिन बाद आप हमको कॉल करके बताइएगा। कितना एज का आदमी है वो? एजुकेशन क्या है उसका? किस स्टेट से है वो? मतलब स्टेट, इसलिए, ठीक है, चलिए। Done clear? Go to the REST API. That is for my server file. We need to import here const. ये हमको डर है कि कहीं आपको ना इंफेक्शन लग जाए। मेरा एम है ब्लॉक, एक ही रूम में रहते हैं क्या आप लोग? हाँ, बस कराइएगा, अंदर के बात को ध्यान में रखिएगा। Customer list, we are writing the name of the API. This I was supposed to write somewhere else. Dot slash. No, dot slash, right? Dot slash API. Inside that, customer API. Next line will be app.listen. App.listen. App.listen, why we are writing app.use. App.use. App.use slash customer list. Slash customer list, comma, this variable, customer variable. App.use. Okay, done. Now we can check once in CMD, anything wrong or server is live. After writing this, check in the CMD. Hope there should not be anything wrong. Showing the last database is connected, server is live. Yes. Okay. So next we can go for the REST.test and we can add 2-3 users and then we can try to fetch the data. We will try to access first the admin URL, admin ID, and we'll append the admin ID while calling the data and we'll see it is able to access or not. Okay, so next work will be, we need to come to the REST.test. Right, REST.test. So again, come down, 3 times hash. Next, we can copy and paste this set. And we can see here, what is the URL you are given? Customer or customer list? Customer is your API. Okay, API is customer API. File name is customer API. Inside the customer API, your schema name is called customer. Okay, and you can see here, customer API be converted where? Under the customer list. So we have to call the customer list dot get post put and delete. Okay, so customer list we need to call here customer list. Okay, what are the property you have now? full name, email ID, mobile number. Okay, let's write here. Full name, email ID, mobile number. After that, city name. After that, city name, mobile number, city name, zip code and full address. Zip code and full address. Zip code and full address. Zip code and okay. So full name, write any name. Next, after that, name should give name. How name? Yeah. Look at here in the API file, which variable you are receiving. What is the property name? Full name. React is sending the data in full name. Node is receiving from full name and giving to where? Name. That name is the name of your column in your table. Okay. So name. The code. Okay, so 2, 4, 6. How many we have here? 2, 4, 6. Okay. If everything is well, hopefully it should. Put should not be there. It should be post. You have to change this post. Post. We need to send the request using the post. We need to send the request. Okay. Going. The sequence. See, data I just told. Okay, so hopefully your data is storing. Error? So let me know also saving or not. You can open the compass and verify data is going to compass or not. Click send. Email ID, mobile number, here. I'm double myself. I'm very good. Here, not that. Okay, so data is storing. Now look at here into the compass. Also, you can verify once whether your data is getting stored up. What was that? My project. One project. Inside we got customers with the tool record. Then we can verify next fetching part. That we are able to fetch or not. So first we need to find out the admin ID. Admin ID. Okay. So how will we find the admin ID? There is API here, yeah. We have API. This is for what purpose? For saving purpose. No problem. You can go like this. Keep a URL here. Get a URL slash admin ID we need to add here. So admin ID you will find from the Mongo Compass. Okay, admin ID I will find, go to the Mongo Compass, and in Mongo Compass you can go here, my admin, and you can see your ID there, no? Right? My admin. Click on my admin. So this record will come. Double click on this and copy that. And then you can add here Okay, added. Now we can send the request. You can see it's giving both the users. Because in admin table, token number is exist. I'll do some changes in the token number. C is there in the last. I'll keep as F. C was in the last. I change to F. I will send the request. It says here message invalid token number. See, first you write this get, then customer list. After that, this admin API, admin URL. You go to the compass and click on your my admin. One user you have here. This is the number. Double click on this. Copy that. Come back to your this one. Paste here. Right. Replace it. Save it. Then send the request. Change one character in between. Don't delete the character. Change one character. And then see it will say invalid. It's not exist. Now if anyone asks in interview, I hope you can explain. If you have written the API, how can you protect from API? Right? Then we can explain them from the beginning, since when the user will log in, it will check in database whether username and password is exist or not. If it exists, then server will give a token number. That token number will go to the client. Client will go to the token number and it will store somewhere in local storage or session storage. The client React or Angular or JavaScript. Whenever the React, Angular, JavaScript will send the request to backend, maybe for saving the data, for listing the data, for updating the data, deleting the data. In any of the case, the client must send the token number to the backend. The backend, what the backend will do? Backend will have inside the backend, where is that code now? Inside the backend, we will receive the token number before giving the data. Before giving the data, we need to check whether token is exist or not. Okay, so we need to check the token number who given in the beginning, database. So again, check in database whether the token number is exist or not. If the token number is exist, then database will say yes, it is there. That means it is a valid request. The client has sent the request, is a valid client. Okay, then fetch the data based on given input and convert into JSON and give to the client. Correct. In case the token number is not exist, then database will say sorry, it is not available with me. Means null. Correct. If it is null, then the backend will send a response to the frontend saying like no such record. Right. Now get and post both APIs ready, and file is in front of you. File is also in front of you. superadmin@gmail.com and password 123. We can, once we go to the add customer, we have to design a very good form. Inside the form, what are the details you have to take? You have to take following details. That is here. Where is that customer API? You have to take the name, email ID, mobile number, city, pin code, and then address. And after that, once you click on submit button, okay, from the front end, the variable you will send, that will be this one. Call it a full name. Here is the sample data. Accept this much. This you can copy and paste there, where in the React. And this value will come from the state. This value will come from the state, correct? After that, you will post it, okay? But make sure, while posting, anyone can post the data. On that particular URL, anyone can post the data, no? Again, while posting, you must have to send the token number. Okay? While posting, you have to send the token number. While sending, see, I'll guide you. क्योंकि वो काम आपको करना है. कौन सा part? Saving the data, listing the data, deleting the data. But every time you have to send the token. Now let me come to the React file. How you are going to send the request from there. Okay? So for fetching the data, this is clear. This is clear, correct? Let me come to the first fetching the data, how we do from the React part. So in React part, we have called file new customer. New customer. In the new customer, URL I'll write. What will be the URL? This is the URL. Let URL equal to, this is the URL, but in that token number you will not fix here directly. This token number will come from where? This token number will come from, so this will not be get here. It will come from the local storage dot get item, and what is the variable name? What is the variable name? You can find easily in the login.js file. That is here. You can say token ID. That is called token ID. Add here. Token ID. Now URL become dynamic. Whoever will log in, their token number will come from the backend, and it will store under the token ID. From token ID you are fetching, and you are giving to the URL customer list / the number. For example, let me show you this alert. What is going to come in that? Okay. Alert URL. When I come to the browser, you can see here. Can you see the URL? Alert. You can replace the base. This is the URL. Customer list / token ID. Correct. So whenever the request will go to the backend, it must go with the token ID. Okay. This happened in the case of get. But when you are going to do the post, what will do? So written this line. Now URL is ready. You have to write a function, get employee or get customer, write the page function, get the data from the backend, displaying the very good table. Okay. When you have gone through the project, I hope you remember the search functionality. In project, we have implemented no search functionality. In React I'm talking. Correct? Search was there. Project में बताया था ना search यार. Yes sir. हाँ, it was search was there, pagination was there. Okay. Project and search functionality was there. You should not forget that. Okay. Come now. So URL is ready here. Go to the next file. Called as a. Oh, I wrote in the wrong place. This line should go to the where? I wrote in the new customer. It should go to the customer list. You got from here and paste in all customer. This is for all customers. In all customer, you have to paste the data, so that you should add in all customers. Okay. Add कीजिए किस file में? All customer. Okay. Now in new customer, I'll write here a function called save. Function save equal to let new data equal to in the REST API. REST.test, we have created one JSON today. Copy this JSON and paste here. Let's do it here. So this is the data, is nothing but details of a customer. Okay, details of a customer. Inside, after colon state variable will come. Correct or not? After colon state variable will come, that you are aware of. Let's come down. Okay, and write here one more call. Token number colon local storage dot get item token ID. Token number local storage dot get item token ID. Right. So now, how many things you are going to post to backend? The customer details you are going to post, that is confirmed. But along with that, what you have to send? Token number also. Because before saving the new customer, the backend want to know whether who are you? Are you valid admin or not? You are sending the data to a store in database. So are you the valid user? Are you the valid admin or invalid? Post API you are written. Anyone can post the data. Anyone can post the data to your URL. But your post need to identify the request is coming from the front end. Is that authorized request or unauthorized request? Okay. So who will identify this? Token number. Okay. So token number, right? Got it? Added. Now the remaining, I hope you can do. Creating the form, creating the state variable, taking the value from text box, assigning here in the right hand side, below creating the post data variable, JSON.stringify, correct? Content type, headers, everything you need to add, and using the post method you need to send to the backend. Then in the backend again, we need to modify it. Come here. Okay, here. Post method, can you see this? We have written directly. They are written directly or not? Anyone can post the data here, right? Anyone can post the data. Okay, but before posting and storing database, let's confirm that request is sent by valid authorized user or not. So from the front end you are sending already, full name, mobile, all you are sending. Along with that you are sending one more input here. Look at here. Where is that file? Here, from new customer, you are sending one more call, token number, right? So let's come to the customer API file, and in customer API file in the beginning only. Okay, in the beginning only, this line we need to add. We need to add this line. Okay, my admin dot find by ID request dot body dot token number. Okay, request dot body dot token number. Request dot body dot token number. Correct. After that, you need to check here if admin double equal to null. If admin double equal to null, then what should happen? Else what should happen? Else what should happen? This is the else part. This is the else part. And this is the if part. If and else. If and else. If and else. If and else. Okay. Inside the if, what we will write? You know well. You can write here. Call status.message invalid token. And you can write also one more parameter. Error as a yes. Error as a yes. Error as a yes. Error as a yes. Copy the same line, and here in the last change that. We are sending complete info. No need to send info. Okay. Right here, response dot status 201 message. Record. Save successfully. And error equal to no. So when you will send a request from the front end, token number is compulsory. If the token number will come and token number is registered in database, then it will allow you to store the data. And once the data is stored in database, then if successfully data will store in database, then the error will come as a no. If there is an error, then what will come? Error as a yes. So in the front end, you have to receive response dot error. If yes, then display which one? Error message. Invalid token number. If error is yes, just to display the message simply. In the front end, display the message. Whatever the message come from the front end, display in the whatever the message come from the back end, display in the front end. Okay. If error is yes, then don't clear your text box. If error is yes, then don't clear the text box. If error is no, then only clear the text box. How to clear the text box? That we have idea. Response we will receive response.json, then below again, then inside that something status, then write status.error. If yes, okay, status.error is yes, then only clear the text box. If no, then don't clear the text box. Okay. If yes, then why to clear the text box? Server has not received your value, and you will clear the text box, then what will happen? Value is also gone from the text box, and the value is also not received by the backend. So if no, then only clear. If yes, then don't clear. Okay. Now both the places condition got applied while saving the data also and while teaching the data also. Okay, so two work you are going to do. Number one, you are going to create the form and save the data. Number two, list the data, correct? URL is ready. Okay. After that, delete the data. While deleting, you have to send again two things. What is? While deleting, you have to send two things. One is called token number and another one is called ID. If ID match, token number match, then only delete. If token number is not matching, then don't delete. Now look at here. Here this file will be failed. So this we have written, modification is done. I am sharing this complete post code in the chat. We can test now only whether happening or not. Okay. So let's come to the REST API. In the REST API, you send a request now, post the data and check it's happening or not. Post and check is happening or not. The parameter will be mismatched. Keep in mind. In the backend, you are receiving the token number. They are receiving or not. From the front end, you are not sending the token number. So it will be mismatch. Okay. So let's add here. First one, token number. Write some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 something and then try. But token number you must have to send. Send the token number. Sending. Hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. Which link? Server is down. It will be active tomorrow after 2 p.m. Tomorrow, you have received any message in the WhatsApp group to send the email? You are in the group, right? 335 group, you are correct? Which year you joined? 22. Then those videos will not be there. Yaar. Videos are deleted, then how it will come? Videos are not there. You can contact to the same number tomorrow after 11 o'clock, okay? Okay, happening, saving or not? Add your token number add karo, then you send the request. Don't send request without token number. Send the request with the token number. See, error is coming. Why error? Error happen. Okay, hold on. We can also do like this. Keep the token number with the same number of character and change one character. Then see still error. Token number I kept, but it's different, not the same. Send request, again error. Send request, again error. Okay, so maybe the code we have written there's something wrong. Okay, so let us find what is the error is. Here, the JSON body. Let's generate from the beginning. Okay, this fine. This is also okay. Here is right. After that, so many errors. No problem. We can find out. So let's come to the scalars. You can see. Let me look at here in the which file. That is called customer API. So what we did here, using the post method, we receive everything by ID. If something wrong, then we are replying this. Else we are coming here. So anyhow, our previous code was working successfully. Previous code was working after modification. When we added the token number, request.body.token number, when we passed in, that is become wrong. Okay. So here possibility of mistake can be at this point. Response.status 201.json message. Okay, let me remove the last parameter and check once is that making the error or that is making any kind of. Okay, so I will go here. Hopefully my live server should be running. Minute, find it out. Let me send a request. Okay, even I will verify here in the API what I am receiving is that token number request.body.tokenno. Token number. There is a token number. Correct. Sequence. Seeing like invalid token number. Okay. Now the point to identify is here. See, it has come. Okay, it has given invalid token number is spent here. Now another point I need to check here. We have sent here one parameter. No? I will add one more parameter. Call. Something we can change. Any error. Hold on. Yes. Okay. I wrote yes. Any error yes. Then I went here. Send request. Showing any error yes. Now again I'll go here and write here only error. And I'll try to send a request from here. Saying any error yes. So what was the problem? Problem was of this variable name. चल रहा है आप लोगों mine is coming. So here token is yes, token is no, token is yes, token is here error. Yes, here I'll write error is no. Next FDC. What is that? FDC. FDC is the token number itself. That I know. I have changed it to check whether if we are sending the number of characters less than error comes or not. Okay. FDC is no only here. See, request is coming like invalid token number. That is okay. Error is yes. But before what was coming? It was even the server side error. No? Now server side error is not there. This error is coming from where? Like it's executing properly. Okay. Here I will change to FDC. Then I will send the request and see it's passing or not. It's saying right, record, save successfully, no error. Okay. Right. So you will pass the value in this time. So this code what you have written, new customer, it is perfect. There is no problem. Just this will make your call, token number should be match. It should match. Okay. इसको check कीजिए पहले. Check this rest.test is getting passed or not. So this code is perfect. What you have written customer API. Here if null then here is the problem. If no error then it will come here definitely. This will execute. Error no, error yes. Right. So this code is correct. You check from here once. Comma. You need to give the comma and then pass the token number. This token number already have here. Same thing then add. Saving or not? So saving, listing, deleting. Okay. तीन वर्क आपको complete करना है. Then this particular one flow will be ready. Okay. Then we'll create the next module, next component. Yes, sir. You guys saving, correct? So from the fronting based on token, it will come. It will success. If someone will send unauthorized user, then they will get called. There is an error and token is mismatch. So I hope something you have understood now. कुछ दिमाग चल रहा है नहीं? चल रहा है ना? फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड अपडेट कीजिए और बहुत सारा फंक्शनलिटी ऐड करेंगे इसमें। और तो यार अभी जॉब का थोड़ी लग गया कि हम परेशान हो रहे हैं उधर इधर, तो जॉब नहीं लगी है ना। और ये पैटर्न वो तो हमको भागना चाहिए कि चलो चलो तुम्हारा खत्म हो गया, लेकिन हम पकड़ पकड़ के पढ़ा रहे हैं। तो और अटेंड कीजिए, एटलीस्ट एक मीनिंगफुल प्रोजेक्ट शुड बी रेडी। So if someone will ask, okay, show me what project they made, how happening. If anywhere you will go, backend developer will say, token number is not matching, how the data will come. You will not get surprised what is talking the token number. Okay. When from the backend data will come and they'll say like, okay, this is the token number, store it, and whenever you send the request, send this token number. You will not feel what to do and where to take the advice. You will understand, oh, I need to follow the same protocol. Okay. So काफी अच्छा चीज पढ़ रहे हैं, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, you will get very good idea. This is a project file. Project file, everything is not possible to send. So I will send you the files. What we did in the front end, we have not done anything. Okay. In the front end, we done some changes in the new customer as well as all customers. The remaining folder SRC I have sent already. Next, after that, in the back end, we have worked on which folder? API is coming to your chat. Schema is coming to your chat. Or take full backend folder. Take full backend server. Backend folder, but full front end will not go. Node modules have huge files and folder that you can download. So क्या हुआ है? हाँ। कुछ नहीं, अभी तो कुछ आए थे लोग।